Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: KCSE index, ID, active email, and phone. Once done, open the Kuccps portal and choose First Application. You will create an account, pick a strong password, and verify your email immediately so you don't lose access. Enter your personal details exactly as on official documents. Accuracy prevents delays. Make sure you record your username and password somewhere secure. Then proceed to the application form. This is where you select programs and list choices in order of preference. You now focus on the complex middle steps, filling academic history and subject grades. Once done, move to program selection. Use realistic choices first and aspirational ones later to maximize placement chances. You must enter correct course and institution codes. Mistakes here cost time, so cross-check each code before adding it. Then complete any additional school or qualification sections, attach required documents in the specified format and size, and review the entire application carefully. Small errors often cause rejections or delays. You finish by paying the non-refundable application fee and confirming payment reference on the portal. Make sure the transaction matches exactly. Once payment verifies, submit the application and immediately download or screenshot the confirmation slip and choice summary. If placement results don't appear or you spot mistakes, act fast. Log back in during the edit window, contact Kuccps support with your confirmation number, and keep receipts. One key troubleshooting tip: if payment doesn't reflect, contact your bank first, then Kuccps with proof of payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.